Imagine harnessing a simple, age-old remedy that could revolutionize your health regimen. Rice water, a byproduct often overlooked, is now gaining recognition for its extraordinary health benefits. From improving digestion to boosting skin health, this humble kitchen staple is your untapped resource for a healthier life. Act now to incorporate rice water into your daily routine and join the health-conscious revolution. Did you know that over 60% of people in East Asia, where rice water has been used for centuries, report significant improvements in skin and hair health? Stick around until the end of the video to uncover the surprising health benefits of rice water that could transform your wellness routine in ways you never expected. Making rice water by boiling is another effective method that yields a more concentrated solution. Here's how to do it. Choosing and rinsing rice. Start by selecting any type of rice you prefer, such as white, brown, or jasmine. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water to remove any debris and surface starch. Boiling the rice, place the rinsed rice in a pot and add water. The typical ratio is about 1 part rice to 3-4 parts water, depending on how concentrated you want the rice water to be. Cooking. Bring the water to a boil, then turn the heat down to a simmer. Let the rice cook until it has softened and the water has turned a milky white color. This usually takes about 15-20 minutes. Straining. Once the rice is fully cooked and the water has taken on a milky appearance, strain the rice water into a clean container, separating the liquid from the rice grains. The rice can be eaten or used for other purposes, so nothing goes to waste. Cooling and storing. Allow the rice water to cool to room temperature before storing it in the refrigerator. This boiled rice water is stronger and more concentrated than the soaking method, making it particularly useful for health and beauty treatments that benefit from a more potent extract. Let's dive into the remarkable health benefits of rice water and explore how this simple ingredient can make a significant impact on your overall health. Drinking rice water can offer a variety of health benefits. Digestive health. Rice water can help soothe the digestive system and relieve symptoms of conditions like diarrhea. It acts as a demulcent, reducing inflammation and forming a soothing barrier. Hydration. It's a great hydration option, especially during illness or high heat, as it can help replenish lost fluids and nutrients. Skin health. Consuming rice water can contribute to better skin health due to its antioxidant properties, which help combat skin aging and protect against damage from the sun and pollution. Hair health. Though often used topically, drinking rice water may also contribute to stronger, shinier hair from within due to its inositol content, a compound that helps strengthen hair. Energy boost. Rice water contains carbohydrates that can provide a quick source of energy when consumed, making it a good option for a pre-workout boost or to overcome a midday slump. Nutrient-rich. It is packed with vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, which are crucial for energy metabolism and overall cellular health. Improved heart health. The presence of antioxidants like oryzanol in rice water can potentially improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. Prebiotic benefits. Rice water contains compounds that may act as prebiotics, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're as excited as I am about the surprising benefits of rice water. If you're thinking of giving it a try or have any tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our future videos packed with more health tips and secrets. Here's to your health. Cheers to making simple changes with powerful impacts.